Hello, I'm Laura. Welcome to part 3 of my Disney series. Make sure that you go back and check out part 1 where I packed my makeup and part 2 where I packed my toiletries. Now, today is all about fitting everything together and doing a massive packing with me the way I have everything ready for my trip. And we have a long haul in front of us, so let's go ahead and jump right in and start packing. All right, so although you can't see it in the frame, I have everything laid out that I need to pack in this suitcase. This space looks like a disaster right now. So we need to go ahead and pack this up, not only so that I'm ready, but so that I can have a little bit more peace of mind. This clutter does not work well with me. And this is part of a 3-piece travel set, which I did haul in my Amazon video, which I will have linked for you. It's coming off a little bit deceiving right now with this lens because it looks, normal size luggage. This suitcase is huge. When it is standing, it comes up to at least my midsection, well past my hips. So this is a large piece of luggage. My plan for this is to kind of divide things up. I want this right side over here to be for clothes, while I want this left side over here to be for my part bags. At the end of the video, I will go through one of my part bags with you, just showing you what I have in there because I already have one of them packed. But for now, let's go ahead and get this thing started. So I think I want to go ahead and put the clothes in this side. If you're wondering how I'm keeping up with everything, I did make a list. This is just for this suitcase. So I have 1,000 lists going and I did laminate them. So that's how I'm trying to keep up with everything. I am using packing cubes. And the way I did this, they're going to be my park outfits. Not only are these shirts, I have the pants rolled up with each shirt. So this is not just 6 shirts here. This is 6 shirts with 6 pants. I'm going to go ahead and put that in the top since that's the largest. This one has dresses. Here's our second largest. Don't know if that's going to work, because I also have to get in my shoe bag. I actually have a pair of sandals and a pair of sneakers in here. So I think those need to go first. The dresses can stand up a little bit. And I have pajamas and a pair of jeans just in case. And then undergarments and socks. Y'all, almost forgot socks. Not so bad. I got everything in there. I did move these 2 bags here. I swapped them with each other, and I know it looks a little overfull right now, but these 3 bags here on the outer rim, they only have clothes in them. They can be smushed a little bit and it's not going to hurt anything. That's why I kind of wanted all the clothes on one side and all the bags on the other. But in the meantime, before we get to this under portion, this portion right here, this little mesh zipper portion, that's where I'm going to put my jewelry case and my travel laundry bag. Now we are officially in the left side of this case. So in here, I need to fit 2 part bags, my toiletry bag, and a hair dryer. Can it be done? Let's find out. So yes, it all fit. I have 2 part bags, my toiletry bag, my hair dryer with the diffuser. I want to zip all this up and make sure it's going to close. All right, it's all in here. It's all in this one suitcase here. Can you believe it? But we're not quite done yet. I do have a little weekender bag I want to share with you as well, being that this is what I'm going to actually have in the car with me on the trip. Now this is the weekender bag that I am going to have with me in the car on the trip. Again, there are a few things, as is the theme of this video, that I can't quite pack yet, but these are the things that I can pack. I do have this little travel pillow blanket here. It will unzip and become a blanket, then it folds up into this pillow. I am going to take a jacket, just a light one here. I know this is Disney, I know it's in Florida, but I also know the time that I'm going, I've never been there before at this time, so I don't know what to expect. I do have some disposable rain ponchos that I have. I'm going to be taking a wet bag, you never know. I have this cup here. with this little Disney design I got from Etsy that I'm going to take. I have this little bag of masks. I don't know if Disney's still requiring masks or not, but I have that. I have some of these ginger chews, which like motion sickness, nausea, you never know. This little pouch here has a whole bunch of change in it. So I have quarters if I want to do like the press quarter memorabilia kind of thing. Then I have this small little portable tripod. I don't plan to take that in the parks. For me, that is probably going to be to film a getting ready with me in the place that we're staying. Let's go ahead, see what we can get in this bag. Everything fit relatively well. The jacket is taking up most of the space, but that's just to be expected. That cup that I put in there from Etsy, it of course won't be in there because I'll be using it as we're driving, just so that I remember to pack it. That's why I'm putting it in here now. And then I will share with you what is in my part bag. This is the bag I have packed already. It's all ready to go. I just need to put a few snacks in there, but again, I don't want to do that yet, being it's not quite time. But as far as everything else goes, it is fully packed. So let me show you what I'm taking. This bag, like many of the other Loungefly bags, they do have some sort of front pocket. I really appreciate the zipper because that is going to be where I keep my little first aid kit here, just in case, you never know. But I can put that here in the front without taking up any of this storage back here. Although this bag is small, it is packed. It is packed tightly. So as you can see here, I got a lot going on. I have an insulated water bottle, that way I can just get something to drink anytime while in the park. You can get water. I do have little like electrolyte packets that I have in here. I have a fan, I have a wallet, I have Body Glide, I have a portable charger. This is where the snacks are going to go. I do have a pack of the wet wipes. And then I also have, you really can't see it here, but right here, it's a little container for medicines, you know, Tylenol, ibuprofen, any kind of motion sickness medicine, whatever. That is in there. So yeah, this little bag is jam-packed. The morning of, or that first day, you know, that adrenaline's going, you want to get there, it's all packed. I don't have to think about anything. And then, like I said, the snacks, closer that it gets to the time of my actual trip, I'll go ahead and put those in there. Something I noticed after filming this video, I forgot to pack my makeup. Can you believe it? But don't fret, don't worry. I made space, I put it in there, and it's coming with me. No doubt about that. Thank you for spending some time with me today, packing everything and getting ready for my Disney trip. I am so excited. Now, if you haven't seen part 1 and part 2, don't worry. I'm going to pop those videos on the screen here for you. So make sure that you go check those out to get all caught up. I hope that you will subscribe. That way you can follow along with me through the rest of this journey. And stay tuned. There's more to come.